Are you still hunting for that mid-range magic? You know, the kind of phone that makes your DSLR camera jealous, has a battery that lets you finally cut the cord, and performance that absolutely crushes every game you throw at it. If you said yes, then stop scrolling because your search ends right now. Nokia is bringing out their secret weapon, and it's called the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. This isn't just a phone, guys, it is a mobile revolution. We are talking about a massive 200 megapixel DSLR camera, paired with a monster 7900 mAh battery. But listen, this video isn't just a boring spec sheet reading. I've got the exclusive scoop you won't find anywhere else, the price, the exact launch window, and a secret feature that nobody is talking about yet. Trust me, you want to stick around until the very end for that one. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the screen. We are looking at a stunning 6.85-inch LTPO OLED panel. It's not just sharp, it is incredibly fluid thanks to that 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you are heavy gaming or just doom scrolling, everything is going to feel buttery smooth. Plus, with HDR10 Plus support, the colors pop so hard it feels like you can reach right into the screen. And with an IP68 rating, rain and dust are absolutely no issue. Camera setup. Now, let's talk optics. This beast is rocking a 200 megapixel primary sensor. That is not just marketing hype, it means you can crop and zoom in endlessly, and the detail is still going to be crystal clear. It is backed up by a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 32 megapixel telephoto lens. And for the selfie lovers, a sharp 50 megapixel front camera is going to make every shot look studio quality. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is a powerhouse. It's driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Plus processor. This chipset eats heavy gaming and multitasking for breakfast. And the best part, it runs straight out of the box on Android 16, clean, bloatware-free, and guaranteed to have zero lag. Battery backup. This is where it gets crazy. Nokia crammed a massive 7900 mAh battery into this thing. With light to medium use, you are easily looking at 2 to 3 days of battery life. And when you finally do hit 0%, the 90-watt fast charging gets you back in the game in minutes. Honestly, this phone makes power banks look obsolete. Price and launch date. Alright, let's talk numbers. Based on all the leaks and insider reports, the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G is expected to hit the US market at around $899. For these premium specs, they are coming straight for the jugular of OnePlus and Samsung. So, when can you buy it? According to market insiders, Nokia is targeting a launch window around June or July of 2026. So the wait isn't long, start saving up now. The surprise feature. Now, for that big secret I promised at the start. Several leaks have revealed that the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G will feature an exclusive extreme performance mode. This isn't your standard game mode. This feature actually overclocks the CPU and GPU, to deliver a console-like experience, automatically optimizing the settings for your specific game. Basically, this isn't just a phone anymore, it's your new portable gaming console.